Wednesday night. Around about this time, it's always in the last hour of the show. This is why it's called Midweek Mayhem, because I just don't know what's coming next. So we've had a fish and chip van here a couple of weeks ago. Last week we had Dogs and the Ayrshire Fiddle Orchestra in the studio performing live with Angus the dog. And this week, I don't know how to describe this on the radio, this contraption. So we've moved from the studio. We're actually outside. There's the main studio there for anybody watching on Facebook. So we've moved out the studio into this live lounge area we've got here, a lovely lounge area where the presenters can relax and anybody that's coming in for an interview can relax and chill out before they go into the studio. And this is like a hangman thing. Now, we've had like people building and clanking away while the show's been on. I heard all the banging and clanking, and Ewan says, don't worry, it's for after 9, it's after 9 o'clock. And then I've come in, and there's a table says, the Mighty WSH Challenge, the Mighty WSH Thor Challenge, and I've got what can only be described as some kind of hangman thing. It's like a guillotine. I don't know what's going to happen to me. You've got me really, really worried this time. But Ewan, it's over to you. I mean, who is the man standing next to you, first of all? I recognise him. Everybody
the man standing next to me is Willie Thor, a very good friend.
Willie Thor?
Yeah. Willie Thor the Mighty, look at this.
Willie Hogg the Mighty, yeah, Willie Thor.
He's known as Willie Thor, look at this, because he's got his Thor hammer, haven't you?
Yes, indeed.
Willie Thor.
Yes, indeed I have.
And one looks kind of big, one looks kind of wee. Which one do you think we should get Colin to try?
The junior one, that's the kiddie one, right?
Right.
And that's the serious one, right? So we'll get Colin to try this.
Yes.
And if he does well and lifts it, he'll get the Mighty Thor Challenge badge.
Oh, wow.
There you go.
Look,
I've actually got the badge.
You got one, Ewan. Yeah. We did a pre-recording with you, and you got one.
Oh, you've done it. You've done it. So you've done the WSH Thor Challenge.
I've got one on too.
Amazing.
Everybody, you get one of them. When you lift that or that, it doesn't matter when you lift it, you get a wee badge. And some people actually don't put them on, they keep them for keepsake.
So this is like the Thor hammer out of the movie. It's like the actual Thor hammer out of the superhero movie.
£34.
£34 Thor hammer. So you're taking this all over Ayrshire and you're raising money for the Ayrshire Hospice. So where are you going, Willie, out and about with this? Where have you been? Where are you going?
We're at It's a Knockout already.
Okay.
We're at Turbolton Gala Day the other week there.
Yes.
We're at Ayr Cattle Show.
Brilliant.
I'm going to the Precious Promenade celebration the 26th. I'm open to any other offers. Come, doesn't cost you nothing.
Right.
What I say to people is, Ayrshire Hospice, and if you've got your own giving charity, I'll go halfers with you. Whatever we raise, we'll half down the middle. It goes to the Ayrshire Hospice, and your half goes to your chosen charity.
That's
amazing.
Brilliant.
Amazing.
Excellent. Really, really good. But you're known for other things like, what is the Willie Weave?
The Willie Weave is
I've seen the van, yeah. What's the Willie Weave?
Well, it's famous, world famous, well known. It's seen in Australia, America, Mini Shant, you name it. It's been seen everywhere, right? All over the world, international. The Willie Weave goes like that. When the fences are doing it, they'll weave it all nice. We're doing one in Auchinleck today, believe it or not. Auchinleck.
Right.
We're up the other day, and the Willie Weave's now in Auchinleck. In fact, the people we've done the job for are on holiday. So when they come back on Friday, Toby and his good lady, they're going to have a lovely new fence, the Willie Hog Weave.
Amazing. Hog Weave. It's amazing. I've actually had you out in my garden, and you were...
never got the job.
You never got the job.
Too greedy, you.
He did his best. He did his best.
Your wallet was padlocked to your back pocket.
No, we just had another idea to do with it, that's all. We wanted to play tennis.
Spend money,
we wanted to play tennis, that was all. It ended up badminton, but it was tennis. Right, so what we're going to do is we're going to get Colin to do the challenge.
We're definitely that. But I think because Colin's fragile state, I think he would be better with that there. We'll get him a timekeeper, and then with time, and then what you've got to do, I'll show you the big, and there's Scotty the Pig, by the way. Scotty the Pig is
so
famous.
Anybody that knows WSH fencing on Facebook, Scotty the Pig goes, wherever Willie goes, Scotty the Pig goes.
Girvan, Maybole,
every job.
Where else is he? Auchinleck, he's been all over the place. He maybe get back to Demelton shortly.
Right.
And he was in my cockroach cage, and you'll see there's a wee action in the cockroach cage.
Oh yes, what's happened there? A wee peck?
Yeah, a wee peck for the cockroach, right?
Okay.
Right, so there you go, right. So what you do, you lift it like that, down here like that, and then you've got to hold your arm straight like that.
Goodness, look at that.
Right, you do. Now, this is my level, and I can dictate I can dictate whether or not you're cheating or no.
Right, okay.
And then we stop the clock. It's as simple as that. It's as easy as that.
Okay.
So what one do you want, Colin?
I'll go with the wee one.
Right. I thought that.
I had a double hernia operation at the start of the year.
Right. You want to try the wee, right?
I'll try the wee one.
Now mind, this is for 12-year-olds.
Right, okay.
I'm just pre-warning you. Okay.
12-year-olds, right? Okay. So both hands here, Willie.
Right there. We've got a timekeeper here. You have a timekeeper.
Okay.
Right. I'll tell you to lift, and then you've got to keep your arms straight out.
Straight out.
Right, okay. Right, 1, 2, 3, lift.
Go.
Straight up, straight up.
Oh, straight up. Oh, my goodness. Right, okay.
Right, keep going. We'll get to know by your face when you start taking it.
Feel the burn.
You feel the kind of flicker and the strain on it. See, you actually do this longer than 10 seconds, you'll be okay. Now you're cheating there. Keep your arms straight. You've got to keep them straight. Right. That's it. Keep them straight. How are you feeling now?
Feeling all right at that, yes,
This is another thing to ask all the listeners and all the watchers. We've not got an official weight for this. We don't know the weight of the junior one.
Right.
So there's a competition tonight we could come up with for somebody to guess the weight. We don't know.
Junior hammer.
We don't know the weight. So there you go. And we'll see what we can come up with.
You're doing extremely well, I have to say.
Oh, no. 41 seconds. 2 minutes we stop because obviously you should be on the big one.
I should be on the big one, aye, but I'm a wuss.
How are you feeling now?
You feel it now? Aye, I'm starting to feel it on the...
Hey, seriously?
Are you do still... Aye, honestly, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I've never sworn the radio, Willie, but I'm seconds off it.
Right. How's he doing? Doing well. Oh, you're in for a minute. You can drop it now. You've nothing to be ashamed of.
Nothing to be ashamed of it. I'm in it.
You're doing well.
You've locked me in, though, haven't you? You've locked me in now. That's the challenge, isn't it?
1 minute 20.
On 20. And I have to go... What, 2 minutes, did you say? 2 minutes, right.
2 minutes, and we'll let you put it down really. But I'd rather you tried the big one, but there you go.
1 minute 30.
1 minute 30. Oh, look there.
Oh, that was
1 minute. There you go. You keep going.
This is the longest...
What about now? What about?
40.
You have 20 seconds. We'll give you a countdown. Okay. 20. All right. 10 yet. Give us the final 10.
1 minute 50.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Put it down.
That's a big whoop whoop.
Now,
How do you feel?
exhausted. Thank you very much, Willie. You're an absolute gentleman. Thank you, Willie.
Oh, the Thor badge. Everybody gets one of them.
The Thor badge, so everybody gets
A Thor badge. Everybody gets a Thor badge for the day after they've done it. Doesn't matter how long they hold it. That's what they get. One of them. And they're flying out the door. They're flying out the door.
Now, what I was going to ask for the public,
Yes.
for everyone enjoying it, and the listeners,
Yeah.
anyone that's on Facebook,
Yeah.
because we are out live.
Yes.
We're out live on Facebook.
Anybody that thinks they could lift that?
What I would like to do is go to this man's Facebook page.
Yep.
And give it a like and follow.
Yes.
Especially give it a like, because we've got to reach the magic figure of 1 million.
We know what we're trying to do. In the last 28 days, I've had 880,000 views, right, on my Facebook. I'm now sitting at 23,780 followers. So I'm trying to get to 25 now in the next 4 weeks. So, but I'm growing and growing.
Do that.
It's growing and growing, and everybody, it doesn't matter where I go, Auchinleck, Maybole, Calcutta, doesn't matter where I go, people come up and say hello to the mighty WSH fencing.
The more
and we're
people,
doing great, we're loving every minute. I love to bring a smile of happiness to everybody out there. When people come up and say hello to you and they've got that smile on their face, it's a great, great feeling, so it is. Plus the fact I'm also raising money for the Ayrshire Hospice and raising awareness with the kids one, and educating young people what hospice is about, and more importantly, what charity is about for the future generation.
You're right. Absolutely brilliant. Well done. Congratulations, Willie. Absolutely brilliant. WSH Fencing supporting the Ayrshire Hospice and the Mighty Thor Challenge. I'm no lifting that one. I'm definitely not. I'm checking it out. Listen, we'll go to a wee bit of music and then we'll see if Billy can lift that. Let's get a bit of this on from
we're still
years and years.
I feel like
Made in Ayrshire for Ayrshire.
if you're coming back for more.
This is Now Ayrshire Radio.